Welcome everyone, here is how you check if your iPhone 14 is genuine or fake. Fakers have gotten extremely advanced, so in the past you would go to the serial number, and the reason why I'm brushing past this is because if you search up the serial number, usually that's used to check if your iPhone is real or fake, but the fakers have managed to put a real serial number in their fake iPhone, so do not do that. You're going to have to do this instead. So you're going to open up the App Store here, and once you're in the App Store, we're going to search up for applications which are exclusive to Apple iPhones. We're going to download them and we're going to test them. And if we notice that something isn't quite right, then that means we have a fake. So the reason why this works is because fake iPhones do not run the Apple iOS operating system. Instead, they run Android. And what they do is the application icons may look the same, you may have the same settings app, you may have the same App Store, but the App Store you have is not the App Store, it's actually the Google Play Store. And the Google Play Store will not have Apple exclusive apps. So that's how this works. So once you're in the App Store, tap on plus, and we're going to try some Apple exclusive apps. So the first one here is Imovie. This is video editing software and it's created by Apple. Imovie is only available in the Apple App Store and not on the Google Play Store. Now some fakers may be able to fake Imovie showing up in the App Store. So you want to download Imovie and open it up. Once you open up Imovie, just make sure this functions as proper video editing software, okay? If it doesn't, it will be very clear. You can also watch videos on YouTube with Imovie, and if something just isn't right, then this may be a fake, okay? But don't just stop with Imovie, try some more apps. Another app made by Apple is Garageband. This is music creation software. Okay. Now GarageBand is also exclusive to the iPhone, iPad as well, but it's not available on a fake iPhone, it's not available on an Android. So see if you have this app, see if it's available, try to download it and open it up. Okay. See if the application, acts like an actual music creation app. If it doesn't, if something just looks off, it will be very clear. And if you don't know what to look for, again, you can watch videos on how to use GarageBand, how to use Imovie, and it should look really obvious if you have a fake device, okay? On top of this, with these Apple apps, you should see here, Developer Apple. Tap into this. Don't check the built-in apps because the fakers can easily fake this. But take a look at the apps and games section, okay? Just scroll through and, take a look at stuff like, let's have a look here. You go all the way through this, just trying to find an app which screams obvious whether or not you can check it or not. Test Flight, okay? Test Flight only exists on the Apple iPhone. Download this one and see if this functions, alright? And the main goal is you're just going to play around. Okay, Test Flight is a good one. If we go through even more, Keynote, Pages, Numbers, these ones right here, download them, open them up, see, are they real iPhone apps? Watch tutorials, how to use Keynote, how to use Pages. Because the fakers may replace Keynote. You may have a fake version, which is Microsoft Word. Does this fake look like the Keynote app, or does it look like the Microsoft PowerPoint app? Unfortunately, there is no, is this iPhone fake, yes or no checkbox you can look up. Instead, you have to do some investigation, because again, the fakers can fake so much of the iPhone, or the fake iPhone, that even looking up the serial number isn't going to do anything, because that could be a fake serial number that they spoofed to be legit. So you will have to play around. If you can't find these Apple apps, when you start a claim, you just have to say, this is a fake, the App Store is not the App Store, it's a Google Play Store. This is because all of the Apple exclusive apps are not available. If they try and say, look up the serial number, don't entertain that for a second. Just tell them serial numbers can be faked, just like you faked the iPhone which you sold me. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.